How to upload video on TikTok from gallery. So if you want to upload a video, then all you have to do is open up your TikTok, and after opening TikTok, on the bottom side you will have 5 options. So to upload, tap on the middle which has a plus icon, and from here if you want to upload from your gallery, then you will have a upload option on the bottom right corner. Tap on that, and from here you can choose a video from your gallery. You have a video option. Tap on video, and then from here you can choose a video that you would like to upload. And now after choosing the video, on the bottom right corner you will have a next option. Tap on that, and from here you can tap on next, and you can share your thoughts. And then after writing something, you can simply tap on post. And that's it guys, that's how you upload video on TikTok from gallery. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.